Here is a Nissan Versa. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem, is the secondary hood release lever. Pull it up, and while it's pulled up, lift up the hood with your second hand. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab it, put it right in that slot. Make sure it's in there. Now let go of the hood, and now it is secure. Let's start with the passenger one. That's the light right over there. The way to access the bulb is right there behind it. That is the bulb holder. The best way to access it though is from up top. You look at it from over here and then you access the bulb holder. All you have to do is just grab it and twist it left. However, it may be tight over there and you may be spending a few seconds trying to twist it left to get it loose. I'll show you. It's just a little bit you have to twist it left. Okay, now this is unlocked. Let me show you the locked. See how small the difference is? Just a little bit. Once it's loose, it just comes right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 194. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon. Now let's go ahead, get the new bulb and push it down back in the bulb holder. And now when you're putting it back in, this is the part where you have to be patient. Because when you put the bulb holder back in the light, it may not just drop in right away and you'll have to do some twisting and turning before it just feels like it's sitting in flush and dropped in. Because only after that will you be able to twist it right like this. Just a little bit, right, and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side, exact same process, no differences whatsoever. Just the same thing, same bulb holder, just grab it and twist it left and get it out, same bulb. And even over here the tricky part is when you're putting it back in, you just have to be patient. That's the key. Be patient, do some twisting and turning till it feels like the bulb holder is actually dropped into the light, and then you twist it right just a little bit to lock it and then you'll be done. See over here, now it's sitting in flush. I'm just going to twist it right, locked, and I'm done. And that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.